Are you afraid your relationship is losing its spark? Romance isn't a one-time dish. It's a bloody recipe you need to keep perfecting. If you've let the flame die down, you're in bloody hot water. It's time to turn up the heat and remind your partner why they fell for you in the first place. We're diving headfirst into 15 creative date night ideas that will make your love life sizzle. Get ready to ditch the takeout menus and reignite that spark. And don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get this clear. Cooking together isn't about Michelin stars. It's about teamwork. Choose a dish you'll both love, something that screams we're in this together. Imagine the aroma of garlic and herbs filling the air, a bottle of wine breathing on the counter, and music setting the mood. As you chop, stir, and taste, you're sharing laughs, stories, and stolen glances. And the best part? You get to savor the fruits of your labor together. It's bloody brilliant. Pack a basket, grab a blanket, and head outdoors. A picnic is your chance to escape the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature and each other. Find a secluded spot under a tree, by the lake, or with a breathtaking view. As you unpack sandwiches, fruit, and maybe a cheeky bottle of bubbly, remember to savor the simple things, the warmth of the sun, the sound of birdsong, and the company of your loved one. This isn't rocket science. It's pure, unadulterated togetherness. There's something magical about gazing at a star-filled sky. It puts things in perspective, reminds you of the vastness of the universe, and creates an intimate atmosphere. Spread out a blanket, lie back, and lose yourselves in the constellations. Share stories, dreams, and maybe even a few kisses under the celestial canopy. It's a recipe for romance that's out of this world. Turn your living room into a cinematic haven. Choose a theme romance, comedy, or even a good old-fashioned scarefest. Pile up the cushions, dim the lights, and get ready for a night of shared entertainment. Don't forget the popcorn and snacks. Whether you're holding hands during a romantic scene or laughing hysterically at a comedy, movie night is all about connection and shared experiences. Remember the excitement, the nerves, the butterflies of your first date. Why not recreate that magic? Revisit the same restaurant, park, or cinema and relive those early moments. Share memories, laugh at how much you've both changed, and appreciate how far you've come as a couple. It's a powerful reminder of the foundation of your love story. Transform your bathroom into a tranquil oasis. Light candles, draw a warm bath, and break out the essential oils. Give each other massages, apply face masks, and indulge in some much-needed pampering. It's a chance to relax, de-stress, and reconnect on a sensual level. Remember, a relaxed mind and body are crucial ingredients for a passionate relationship. A little healthy competition never hurt anyone. Dust off those board games, break out the cards, or fire up the video game console. Challenge each other, trash talk like champions, and celebrate your victories. It's all about having fun, letting loose, and remembering that relationships should be playful and exciting. Sign up for a dance class together and learn some new moves. Whether it's salsa, ballroom, or hip-hop, dancing is a fantastic way to get close, have fun, and get your heart racing. Don't worry about being perfect. Embrace the awkwardness, laugh at your mistakes, and enjoy the physical connection. You might even discover a hidden talent. Get those creative juices flowing with an art and craft night. Paint, sculpt, draw, or try your hand at something completely new. The point is to let go of perfectionism, embrace the process, and create something together. You'll be amazed at the hidden talents you both possess and the joy of shared creativity. Jump in the car, crank up the music, and hit the open road. Explore winding country roads, discover hidden gems, and enjoy the freedom of the open road. Talk, sing along to your favorite tunes, and create new memories together. A scenic drive is a reminder that life is a journey to be shared. Pack your bags for a mini adventure. Choose a destination a few hours away, a charming town, a national park, or a cozy bed and breakfast. The key is to escape your routine, explore new surroundings, and create lasting memories. Spontaneity is the spice of life, so don't be afraid to deviate from the plan and embrace the unexpected. There's no better feeling than making a difference in the world together. Volunteer at a local charity, animal shelter, or community garden. Working side by side for a common cause strengthens your bond, fosters a sense of shared purpose, and reminds you of the importance of giving back. It's a date night that nourishes both your heart and your relationship. Immerse yourselves in the world of theater, music, or dance. Attend a play, a concert, or a ballet, and let the performance move you. The shared experience of art creates a powerful connection, sparking conversations and emotions that linger long after the curtain falls. It's a reminder of the beauty and power of human creativity. Transport your taste buds to a different country with a themed dinner night. Choose a cuisine you both love: Italian, Mexican, Japanese, and go all out. Decorate your dining room, prepare authentic dishes, and maybe even learn a few phrases in the language. It's a fun and immersive way to experience a new culture together without leaving your home. Lace up your hiking boots or grab your walking shoes and head for the hills. Exploring nature together is a fantastic way to get some exercise, breathe in fresh air, and enjoy breathtaking views. Hold hands as you walk, share moments of awe at the beauty around you, and reconnect with the simplicity of nature. It's a reminder that the best things in life are often free. There you have it. You lot. 15 date night ideas to inject some excitement and passion back into your relationship. Remember, the key ingredient is making time for each other, trying new things, and keeping the spark alive. Love is a bloody delicious dish, but it takes effort and creativity to keep it from going stale. Now get out there and make it happen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.